Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make these daisy flowers and you can use them as an applique. So I have this leftover DK yarn and I'll be using my 4mm crochet hook. You're going to start by making a slip knot. You're going to chain 3 and slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Chain 2 and make 10 double crochets into the ring. The chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Now to slip stitch, you are going to change your yarn. So insert your hook, grab your yarn, your new color, and make a slip stitch. I'm going to cut off the first color, which is yellow, chain 3, yarn over twice, and make 1 treble crochet into the same stitch as a chain 3. We are going to make 2 more treble crochets into the same stitch. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch, which is the first stitch. And this is our pattern for our petals. We're going to slip stitch to the second stitch and then slip stitch to the third stitch, chain 3, yarn over twice, make a treble crochet. We are going to hide our yarn under our stitches. Make 2 more treble crochets. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the third stitch. So we are going to repeat our pattern. Slip stitch to the 4th stitch, slip stitch to the 5th stitch, and then repeat the petal pattern. At your last petal, you slip stitch to the last 2 stitches, chain 1 and cut off your yarn. And then we are going to weave in our ends and our flower will be ready. And you can make this in different colors and use them as an applique for any crochet project.